I don't know about you, but the less I have to pack for the track, the better. And these ARC composite levers help me do just that. Like OEM, these ARC levers are fully adjustable to be able to fit different size hands, as well as being able to change the release point of your clutch and the stopping point of your brake. Two of my favorite things about these levers, first off, they offer a Shorty clutch lever, which is really cool because you don't have to put your clutch perch in as far on your handlebar to be able to grab on the outside of it where it's easier. If you grab in the middle of your lever, it's a little bit more difficult and it's harder to pull. It'll give you arm pump. And another cool thing about them, the front is made with a really grippy texture. That way, along with the stickies on your gloves, you can have better grip on the lever. And I know a lot of levers are made like this nowadays, but they've got a spring in them to where they can pivot back and forth to hinge in case you crash. Oh yeah, remember how I said these will cut down on the amount of parts you have to take to the track? Check this out. Not only do they fold backwards, but they also bend and don't break. While they might be a little bit more expensive than an OEM lever, they're definitely well worth it, especially because they have a lifetime warranty. Go check them out on MotoSport.com.